Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by measuring the problem so you know what to fix. Install a co-S-aware test tool and run a loaded latency test to capture idle versus loaded RTT. Once done, note which device sits at the network edge, typically your router or modem, and which client shows worse latency. You must gather bandwidth numbers and baseline delay so you can size the subsequent shaping parameters. Keep these results. They guide the concrete changes you will now apply. Now you configure active queue management on the router. You install and enable fqcodal, or better, Cake, and bind it to the WAN interface. Make sure to set link speed slightly below measured bandwidth, typically 5% headroom, so the shaper controls bursts. Enable per-host fairness and small packet prioritization so ACKs and DNS stay fast. Once configured, restart the network service and run the same loaded test. Finish by validating and tweaking settings until behavior is stable. You should run repeated loaded tests and tweak the shaping rate, or Cake quantum, in small steps, typically 5 to 10% adjustments, to balance throughput and latency. Make sure to watch for increased packet loss or device CPU spikes. If they appear, back off to previous stable settings. If problems persist, place the modem in bridged mode or update firmware, and confirm the ISP is not oversubscribed. That often explains remaining buffer bloat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.